You won't believe this. Simply mix mung beans and rice, and you unlock a delicious dish. Prepare 300 grams of mung beans and 300 grams of rice. Soak them in water for 2 hours. After soaking, add both to a blender. Add 300 milliliters of whole milk. Blend everything into a fine batter. The smoother, the better. Pour the batter into the rice cooker. Add a spoonful of sugar. Pour in 1 packet of yeast powder. After the yeast dissolves, add 300 grams of flour. Stir the batter gently in one direction with chopsticks. Then cover and let it rise until doubled in size. Stir with chopsticks to remove air bubbles. Add your favorite dried fruits. Cover and let it rise again. After 10 minutes, press the cook function. Wait for the cooking cycle to finish automatically. Soft, sweet, fluffy, and tender. Rich bean aroma. Isn't it really simple? If you like it, give it a try.